Salient features of partnership. Sharing of profit. There should be an agreement between the partners to share profit and loss of the business. If people start up a firm for charity purposes, then that is not called a partnership. Liability of partners. Each partner is liable to the third party for the acts of the firm individually as well as jointly. The liability of the partners is unlimited, and to pay off firms' debts, their personal assets can also be used. What is a partnership deed? The partnership deed is an agreement between the partners in written or in oral. It contains the terms of the agreement. It contains all the details about the business objectives, the contribution of capital by each partner, profit and loss sharing ratio between the partners, and entitlement of partners to interest on capital and interest on loan. The deed should be properly drafted and prepared as per the provisions of the Stamp Act and preferably registered with the Registrar of Firms. Provisions relevant for accounting. The important provisions that affect partnership accounts are as follows. Profit sharing ratio. If nothing is mentioned about profit and loss sharing in partnership deed, then it should be distributed equally amongst the partners. Interest on capital. No partner can claim any interest on capital invested in the business by him without the consent of all the partners. In case no interest rate mentioned in deed, then it will be paid at 6% per annum.